Hi, this is 24K Chris on Instagram and 24K Chris on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the PowerVolt PD20 from Scosche. It's 20 watt. It's 4 times faster than a 5-watt charger. And basically it's just 2 prongs and a very small square at 20 watts. So this is great to charge your smartphone devices quick that support up to 20 watts. There's some that support even 55 watts. So this is great for those, and I even just charged my iPad Pro with this. It's great for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone Pro, iPhone Mini, all the 12 series iPhones, even the 11s, all the way down to the iPhone 8. That supports faster charging, and this would definitely do that with a Apple USB-C to Lightning cable. This is a USB-C port right here, and it fits in the palm of your hand, so this is great to put in your travel case or just have it plugged into your wall, something that doesn't take up a lot of space. Has a 3-year warranty, and as you can see, it works great with Apple, Samsung, Google, and a lot more gadgets out there. Mobile gadgets. You can charge your batteries for your drone or your action cameras. It works really for almost anything. So you can get this to USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to Lightning, and they even have one USB-C to micro USB. So it's quite small, and it's new from Scosche. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.